So the blizzard started, and there goes the screen door. 40-mile-an-hour winds they say we're supposed to get. Crap. Supposed to last till 9. Out west of us, from Montana all the way down to Texas, they're getting 60 to 80-mile-an-hour winds with this storm. Yeah, this is what you're missing. Oh, there's a brave soul. Somebody from town here. We're only supposed to get an inch of snow, but oh, there's another brave soul. We're only supposed to get an inch of snow, but boy, is it blowing. Then it calms down, and then it whips up again, and oh boy. There's my poor car. Poor Nessie. That's what I call her. Nessie the Nissan. I've already been out and shoveled today. I waited till it was up to like 14 degrees. No, hopefully this stuff will blow right off. But cold and cold and cold. Anyways, just thought I'd give you a little video so you can remember the good old days. Yeehaw. Oh, here it comes again. Jeez, look at the trees. Just a whipping around. Wow. All right. Love ya. Talk to you later.